You're told that if you just work hard, you can have anything. But what if that whole dream is a massive trap designed to keep you broke for your entire life? The old plan, go to school, get a job, buy a house, is hammered into us so much we don't even stop to ask if it's our dream. This plan is literally built to make you fail financially. It all starts when you get a raise or a new job. Let's go. The smart move is to save that extra cash, but then lifestyle inflation attacks. Your apartment gets bigger, your car gets faster. Every single purchase feels like a reward you totally earned. But what you're really doing is building an invisible prison. Your spending explodes to meet and then fly right past your new paycheck. So even with more money coming in, you feel just as broke as before. And this is not an accident. It's part of the system. Total household debt in the US has hit a crazy 18.39 trillion. Society sells you this perfect picture of success and then makes billions from the debt you rack up trying to get there. So, why do we keep falling for it? We are taught from day one that the stuff you own is proof of who you are. And social media has poured rocket fuel on that fire, showing you a 24/7 highlight reel of everything you don't have. This creates this insane pressure to keep up with everyone else, and it will absolutely destroy your bank account. In fact, a recent UK study showed that 47% of Gen Z and millennials want to go on a trip or to an event right after seeing friends or influencers post about it. It's a war where your self-worth is fighting your bank account and the bank account is getting crushed. If you feel trapped on this insane treadmill, slam that subscribe button right now. We're here to give you the cheat codes to break free. And comment below. Have you ever felt that pressure to spend money just to keep up? Winning this game isn't about making more money. It's about completely changing your mindset. True financial freedom is about having more choices, not more stuff. First, automate your savings. The second you get a raise, set up a transfer that automatically sends that new money to savings. You have to pay yourself first before you pay for a cooler car. Second, challenge every single purchase. Before you buy something that isn't a basic need, just stop for 1 second and ask, am I buying this for me or to show other people? That 1 second of thinking is insanely powerful. Third, control your environment. You get to decide what you see. Unfollow all the accounts that make you feel like you're not good enough. Fill your feed with people who actually support your goals, not some company's marketing team. The American dream they've been selling you is usually just a fast track to a life of debt. But you don't have to play their game. Financial freedom comes from how you manage what you have, not how much you make. By seeing the lifestyle trap, ignoring the social pressure, and only spending on things that you actually value, you can stop building someone else's empire and finally start building a life of total independence. What are your craziest lifestyle inflation stories? Share them in the comments below. And you do not want to miss our next video where we're going to show you the best budgeting strategies to take back all the control.